Everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're going to check out how you can customize and organize your library on your MetaQuest 3 and 3S headsets with the new update. So once you turn on your Quest, you're probably going to see something like this, maybe the Horizon Worlds or something up there as well. Click on your navigator and that should bring up your library as you can see here. If not, click that middle button and you're going to see your library. First, you're going to notice that things look different, right? This is a lot different than what it looked like before. I actually do like this more, to be honest. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a few different options. You're going to see all apps, worlds, Horizon Plus, unknown sources, and downloads. This is nice because you can click on apps, and now I don't have all those annoying Horizon worlds that I can never get rid of off of my library. I'm not going to see them anymore. They are in apps. Another thing you can do is go over to this side. You can filter which apps you're seeing between all installed, ones that need updates, not installed, or hidden. And then you can also sort them by most recently used or just alphabetically reversed or regular. Now another thing you can do here is you can see these pin buttons underneath some of these apps. Now what you can do is with apps that you're always using or things that you always want to have right at the top of your library, you can click on the three dots underneath of them, find where it says pin those, and that's going to stay there even if I'm using other apps. The other apps that are going to sort themselves from most recent will now start here and move their way through. What you can also do with some of these is you can click on those three dots and you can also hide them. So that's going to take it away from this apps screen so you don't have to see it. A lot of us, if we have apps that we want to hide, they're not going to be installed anyways. And so if you just filter this to installed, then that's going to help us out as well. So those are just some of the ways that you can help organize your library and customize it to your personal feel. I hope this one has helped you out. Make sure you check out my other tips. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.